Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And now we will have our another unboxing from Shein, and um, I will show you also, guys, one of my collection tong, old tong. So I will show you guys my old tong from Shein. So just wait for a while. Um, Wait. So this one. So this is my old tong. So this is not new. This is my collection, another collection old tongs. So, and of course we will have also unboxing from Shein also. This is new. This is a bra. So this is a bra. So we will open first this one. Before this. So I'm now let me first introduce my channel. If you new here to watching my vlog, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification button bell so that every time that I have upload, you can alerted, so you can notify my videos. So let us open the first item, this one. So yeah, and there's a background outside, guys, so I hope I not get CPR. So I do hope not CPR. So charang, so this is the bra. I really like this style of bra, guys, the front. So it's easy to wear. So all of my bras is like this one style. So because it's very comfortable with me. This is this is a strapless bra. So I don't like there is a strapless. I don't like. So I like this style. I really like this style of clothes bra. So I will show you guys. This is easy to wear this one. So that's why all my bra is what we call it that like this. So all my bra is like this style. So I really like the style, guys. So easy to wear. You know, just very easy to wear. So I hope I never did CPR. Oh, wait, just wait for a while. What happened? This one. Oh, what happened? I don't know, guys. It's so easy. So like this, and so I love this style, guys. So easy. So this size is medium. I choose also medium because my boob size is medium. It's only medium. So I like this style. So the back, look, so very nice. And this one is okay. Wait. We will first to, I don't know, just like so crazy. Okay, I got it, guys. So yeah, I got it. I'm so happy I got it. And this one, oh my goodness, so crazy. Okay, wow, it's so nice, so very nice. It's very comfortable, very, just very comfy with me. It's easy to wear. So that's why all my bra is like this one style. So don't forget guys to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching. And don't forget also to support my channel guys. I have a super chat and I have a members for my channel. If you want to be my member guys, so feel free to check my membership. So it's very affordable monthly. Only $1 only. So thank you everyone for watching.